it, make it, do it. Makes us harder, better, faster, stronger.
That don't kill me.
Hey, what is up guys, Plugin Crusader here, and I'm here with a new video for you, the Immortal P.E.K.K.A attack. So I've trained a P.E.K.K.A, a dozen of healers, and a Barbarian King, and yeah, a few spells. So we'll check if the P.E.K.K.A will survive till the end of the attack with the help of the troops. So let's see. So I've chosen this base to attack, and I will put up my P.E.K.K.A in front of the Air Sweeper and all the healers. And as you can see, the hawks from the young clan caster have come out to defend their base, and my healers are working well. And I will put up my rage spell to speed up things, and to lighten up things for the P.E.K.K.A, I will throw out my Barbarian King. They need to destroy that air defense for the healers to survive, ramming through the walls and yeah, destroying the air defense system. Yeah, another rage spell. Doing well, just ramming through the defense, you know. And Barbarian King, healers are behind both Barbarian King and the P.E.K.K.A, and as you can see, the Barbarian King is moving towards that elixir collector, and every, you know, that wizard tower, yeah, he needs to destroy that wizard tower. And P.E.K.K.A seems to be off path at the moment, and it's going to be disaster. I think the healers are behind that Barbarian King, and P.E.K.K.A is alone, and I don't know that turns out to be immortal or not. So yeah, I have that one lone healer, and that is doing well. It seems like at the moment only one healer is following my command, that is behind the P.E.K.K.A. Yeah, another rage spell just to help the P.E.K.K.A. And yes, seems that all the healers are behind that P.E.K.K.A at the moment, and Barbarian King is just moving and ramming through the defense. And P.E.K.K.A is facing, you know, attacks from all the direction, from the cannons and the Tesla and that, you know, mortar, and the wizard tower is not targeting the P.E.K.K.A also. And I think that P.E.K.K.A, I think I can get at least one star now if the P.E.K.K.A can survive. The healers are, you know, don't have that much of the health, and I think I can get one star. Yeah, I got. So there's one star, and now it's time for the payback for the P.E.K.K.A to destroy their defense, targeting the mortar and the wizard tower. And yeah, there's a air defense that's been upgrading, so yeah, that turns out to be a plus point for my healers to survive. Now seems like I can get 2 stars now, and now my P.E.K.K.A just heads towards that archer tower, and now that air defense, and that cannon is targeting my P.E.K.K.A, but seems to be, you know, that doesn't affect as the healers are behind him. And my P.E.K.K.A just, and yeah, there's a air defense system that is targeting my healers, and I think my healers will die, and yes, they are. So, and the battle will end in 13 seconds, so just need to see that P.E.K.K.A will survive, you know. And now it's targeting that Tesla, and it just 5 seconds to battle the end. And I think that turns out to be that P.E.K.K.A was the lone survivor for this tech. And you know, this has been wonderful, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. See you soon with another video.